Look at the mess. The mess. The mess. I'm about to clean all of this stuff up. Yes, y'all, it's a mess. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Miss Tamika. So today I will be sharing a clean with me type of video. So right now, as you can see, I am in my bedroom making up my bed, and I do have a new comforter set that I will be sharing with you all once I of course, put it on my bed. But right now, I'm just making up my bed, putting away my remote control and, getting everything out the way. So once I'm done my bedroom, I move on to the living room area.
I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me.
So moving on to the living room area, as you can see, it wasn't that much of a mess. The only thing I had to do was fold my blankets, because when I sit in my living room, I always, wrap up with blankets. I don't know, that's just what I always done from Covington to now. So that's what you see me here doing, and the outside noise is construction, because they're building houses over here, so don't mind that. And yeah, you all.
If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. No, I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going.
So now it's time to move to the kitchen area, y'all. And when I tell you it was a mess.
I like me better, I like me better when I was yours. So I wanted to show y'all really quick. I have these here for Breeze trash bags, and I do use them inside of my trash can. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And I do have trash bags in there, as you can see right there, but I like these because they have the Gang Febreze scent. So I'm going to put this in here, and I put it around like this. Then I'll push this here down, and to hide the bag, I'll push it down like that. Around. So yeah, that's how I do it. So now y'all, I'm about to clean all of this here. And let me see where I can put y'all. Get y'all at a good angle. So I have to start some soap.
So once I started taking all the dishes out of the sink, I realized I had enough to fill my dishwasher, so I was able to use that instead of washing my dishes by hand, because I normally wash my dishes by hand, but like I said, I had enough to run a full cycle. So before I load the dishwasher, I had to take out all the clean dishes, and then I start loading it with the dirty dishes. So that's what you will be seeing me do right here, you all.
into my trash can. I'm so mad. I caught myself like spraying like bleach in here just to, you know, kill any trash smell. And yep, I messed that up. So if y'all know how I can clean that off, let me know.
So moving on to the cooking portion of this here video, I decided to add my Target meal in the bag. I think that's what it's called. So I hope you all enjoy. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Today I am here to share another Target meal in the bag meals. I'm going to go ahead and proceed to cook this here Southwest chicken tacos, and they run this here meal in the bag was $14.99. so you get your grilled chicken fajita strips, so everything comes inside, because I was looking for like the fajita package, like the powder, but this here chicken is already seasoned with the fajita sauce. Southwest chopped salad. We have our soft tacos and our bag of cheese. They always give you a big bag of cheese because of course we're not going to go through all this cheese. So yeah, we got our cheese. So now what I'm going to do is grab my skillet. So like I said, here is the skillet. I gotta drop this off to the UPS. And the reason why I like those meal in the bags, because it gives you everything you need to complete a dinner meal. And then also, I have a hard time with deciding what to get, you know, what to cook sometimes. So with those meal in the bags, you know, it just helps to make cooking a lot easier. Oh yeah, by the way, I got this here from Target where you can lay your spoon. After the chicken is done, the meal is going to be complete. So yeah, it comes seasoned with chili powder, black pepper. I didn't even know they sold the fajitas like this, because when I make chicken fajitas, I normally buy, you know, the chicken breast and get the fajita powder and do all of that. So I'm gonna see how this tastes. So it comes like that. I usually like to cut the meat up a little bit because I don't like big chunks of meat. Again, I'm filming with my new camera. I just like to say that so I'll know when I go back to editing the footage, I'll know, okay, this was with the new camera. Let me see if I can cut some of this meat up while it's still cold. So here on the back, it shows you different things you can use this for. Like I said, I never saw this before. So if it turns out good, then instead of buying chicken breast and doing the whole fajita thing, I can just go ahead and purchase this and then add my onions and green peppers and all of that separately. Okay, y'all, this is all done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it in a bowl. Here is the finished chicken tacos. It's good. Now I will say, adding the salsa made it less dry. If you don't care about that, you can also eat it the way it came, the way you're supposed to eat it. I just knew with the chicken, the lettuce and the cheese that I like sauce and flavor. Guys, this is a meal I will buy again. And if y'all have a Target around you, you may want to check this out. This is really good. I'm gonna go here and enjoy this here food. Sorry I didn't show my face. I just took my braids out. I look crazy. And it was mainly, and this video was just mainly me cooking anyway, so y'all really didn't have to see my face. But yeah, y'all, this is really good. I will try and remember to leave a name down below, just in case y'all want to go to y'all Target and check it out. Like said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating my food because y'all know I get to smacking. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.